In this video, I'll be showing you how to set up a thank you page redirect in Mailchimp for anyone who signs up to your email list. In addition, I'll be discussing 3 reasons why you want to set up a thank you page to redirect your subscribers after email sign up. So let's get started. The first of the 3 reasons is building trust and showing appreciation. A thank you page is an excellent way to show your subscribers that you appreciate them. By expressing gratitude for signing up, you build trust with your subscribers, and they're more likely to stay engaged with your brand. Additionally, a thank you page is an opportunity to provide your subscribers with a clear message of what they can expect in future emails. This can include information like the type of content, the frequency of the content, whether or not they'll be getting any special promotions or offers. The second reason to redirect a subscriber to a thank you page is to encourage further engagement with your brand. You can include links to your website, social media pages, or other resources that your subscribers would find useful. By providing your subscribers with additional value, you'll increase the chance that they'll stay engaged with your brand and remain subscribed to your email list. And the last reason is tracking conversions and monitoring the success of your email marketing effort. By redirecting subscribers to a thank you page, you can track how many people are converting to your email list. This information is invaluable for measuring the effectiveness of your email marketing campaigns and making data-driven decisions about how to improve them. To add a redirect thank you page to your audience list, select the audience if you have more than one from your audience dropdown. Then you want to go to sign up forms, and then under sign up forms, you want to go to the form builder. First option right here, click select or click on form builder. We'll click to select. Then in the forms and response emails drop-down area, you want to click on confirmation thank you page. And instead of getting this information right here in an email, they'll be redirected to this thank you page in the browser. And if we were to quickly take a look at what this thank you page looks like that I've created, let's open it up in a new browser. Here it is right here. So I've got a simple thank you title, and then I have the book for people to download because that's why they're signing up. And then I talk about who I am and what do I do and who I do it for. And I also offer a call to action if people to contact me if they have any questions. Additionally, I have a post carousel here that's probably going by a little too fast that says blog post that might be interesting to you. And if we scroll down a little bit more, I just have a simple connect with me on social. One of the bonus reason here is that sometimes these emails that are automatically sent to the subscriber end up in spam or end up in promotions, things that are out of your control, so to speak. And so that's why I like to rely on a redirect thank you page, because I know that is the first thing that they're going to land on, and I won't have to rely on maybe them missing thank you email that they would receive. If you're looking to learn more about the basics of Mailchimp, I have a great playlist right here for you. And if you're looking for something a little bit more advanced, this is the link for you. Thanks, take care, and I'll see you in the next video.